Well, an Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, says there is no evidence to show that Juja MP George Koimburi was abducted. According to IG Kanja, an investigation into the Ruruai coffee farm in Kiambu County, where the MP is said to have been dumped, has resulted in conflicting reports so far. Police have interviewed 5 individuals in connection with the alleged abduction, but they are yet to question Koimburi, as his family had blocked access to him. Rose Wangoi has more details.
Juja Member of Parliament George Koimburi was allegedly abducted outside a church in Mugodha, Kiambu County on Sunday. Video footage of the incident shows the MP being driven away. He was later found unconscious, dumped in Jacaranda coffee plantation. However, Inspector General Douglas Kanja has cast doubt on the video, stating that investigators had visited the location depicted in the footage.
Police officers from Juja swiftly responded, visiting the alleged scene and thoroughly documenting the area. Upon comparing vegetations and road dimensions at the scene with those in the video, it was established that the two did not match.
Further raising suspicion, according to IG, the caretaker of the coffee farm seen in the video denied witnessing any such incident.
The caretaker of the coffee farm, which is owned by one Jimmy Wajigi, stated that he had not witnessed such an incident.
Initial reports claimed Koimburi was located by a random bystander, and findings from the investigations revealed the lawmaker was ferried to a medical facility.
They confirmed that the vehicle used to transport him, registration numbers KCJ 660P, belonged to the Honorable Member of Parliament George Koimburi, and was driven by one Frida Jerry, who was also the first responder at the alleged crime scene. The hospital did not disclose the nature of the treatment or the first aid administered, making it difficult to assess the extent of the alleged injuries.
Investigators are actively pursuing multiple leads and plan to interrogate the MP himself.
To date, the investigating team has interviewed and recorded statements from 5 individuals, with several more expected to provide their accounts, and particularly Honorable George Koimburi, whom we shall interview at the earliest opportunity after his family objected to our attempts to reach him. This progress underscores the National Police Service commitment to uncovering the truth regarding the abduction allegations.
The legislator has been under investigation for a land fraud matter, and a consent to prosecute was issued by the Office of the Public Prosecutions, or DPP.
The Member of Parliament, fully aware of police intention to arrest him, evaded arrest by escaping on a motorcycle with his private security and switched off his mobile phone. His car, occupied only by his driver, was intercepted, and the driver was arrested but later released after recording a statement. The MP only resurfaced yesterday, coinciding with the abduction claims.
The case has stirred political controversy, with Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka condemning police claims that the MP staged his own abduction. On Monday, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua claimed Koimburi was tortured by his captors before they dumped him.
If our investigations clearly indicates that certain offences had been committed, then those who have committed those offences will also be dealt with as guided by the laws.
Rose Wangoi, NTV.